Welcome back, everyone. Today, I'll show you how to share longer stories on Instagram up to 60 seconds in length without them getting split. Let's get started. Go to the App Store, iPhone, or Google Play Store, Android. Search for Instagram and check if it's updated. If not, click on the update button to ensure you have the latest version. Open the Instagram app. Create a new story by swiping right or tapping on your profile picture. Select the content you want to share, photo or video. Or, to share a longer video, tap on the camera icon or swipe up to access your camera roll. Select a video that's up to 1 minute long. Instagram will automatically post the full video without splitting it. If your video is still splitting, it might be due to a delayed rollout of the feature in your country. Wait for a few days or weeks for a new Instagram update. Once the feature is available in your country, you'll be able to share 1-minute stories without splitting. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a comment below and subscribe to my channel for more Instagram tips and tutorials in the future.